name's Kathy Anderson, and I brought my brand new vehicle to Jack. I had a couple of small dents here in the door and one in the fender. My husband and I, we are real fanatics. This is our first brand new car. We wanted the dents removed, and my husband found Jack online. So he gave him a call. I came in, we did a quote. I just came to pick up my vehicle, and Jack has done a great job. All the dents are out. There was a small crease in this dent here. He got that crease out, and my car looks brand new again. I would highly recommend Jack to any of you, either small or big dents. I know he can handle it, and I will be more than happy to back him and give out his cards to friends of mine and send work his way. He's a great guy. He's very personable, and he does awesome work. Thanks.
If you have damage that needs repaired, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. Thanks for watching.